Belle from Folkers here, and I want to let you know that I'm feeling your pain right now. I'm feeling you, man, because at Folkers, we understand that the one thing that can keep you from hiring a company to take on your much-needed home improvement project is that it turns into a bomb. Not in a good way, like, wow, your new Florida room's the bomb. No, I mean B.O.M, bomb. It stands for Big Ole Mess. You think you're hiring one company, who in turn hires another company.
Also known as a subcontractor.
They never show up on time, and they leave their fast food bags and drink cans all over, turning your yard into a bomb, a big old mess. At Folkers, we treat your home like it's our home. We put down drop cloths on your floors and your flower beds. We even take down and replace your window treatments and help move furniture, although I can't do any of that because it hurts my back. But no bother, I have people to handle that. And now, so do you. Call Folkers today.